All right, today I am making a vegan pasta that utilizes mushrooms as kind of a ground beef replacement. And these are all the ingredients you'll need. And I will link the recipe down below so you will be able to see it. And if you want to follow along the recipe with the video. And it is not, the way that I'm making it is not a gluten-free recipe, but if you wanted to, you can replace this pasta with a gluten-free version of it. It's just, I was trying to focus on a vegan dish today. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is take your mushrooms, and what you have to do is put it in boiling water and let it soak for 10 minutes, and then you will take 5 tablespoons of the liquid and take out the mushrooms and finally chop them up to a consistency of ground beef. And then heat a medium pot of salted water to a boil. Also, the type of mushrooms that I'm using is shiitake. However, you can use the porcini, which is the original one. I just did research, and shiitake is a very common replacement that's more available because I couldn't find any porcini in the stores that I went into. All right, so once you are done boiling the mushrooms, you can drain them out, and then you should chop it down into this, like the ground beef consistency. In the meantime, while your salted pot is boiling, once it's boiling, you can add in the pasta, and when the pasta is in the salted boiling water, you can cook according to the package directions until al dente, and then drain it. Make sure to keep a cup and 3/4 of the pasta water though. And then the next step is to put the garlic, oil, crushed red pepper, parsley, and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the cold saute pan, and then start it over medium-low heat. And you want to gently fry it for 5 minutes until it is soft and lightly golden, and make sure to turn down the heat if the garlic ever starts browning. All right, the next step is to add in the diced mushrooms, the tomato paste, and then the freshly ground black pepper. And once you have all of this together, what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to put it in the pan for 3 minutes, and then set the pan aside while the pasta is still boiling. All right, once that 3 minutes is up, you can add in both of the pasta waters for 3 minutes and let it bubble along with the mushrooms and tomato paste and all of these seasonings. All right, the next step is to add half of the Parmesan and then stir it until it is melted, and then add the rest, and then lower the heat down to medium and stir in the cream, and then add in the pasta. And you can toss over the heat until the pasta and sauce have emulsified. 1 to 2 minutes, adding a splash more pasta water if the pasta looks dry. All right, and once it is served up, it looks like this. And the next step, if you want, is to add some Parmesan over the top, or even just some parsley, whatever floats your boat. All right, I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, like, and stick around for the next video.